Hello, Otto Menard. This is Charles again from Wiley Digital. Like I had said before, we're a digital marketing agency, and this is me again. I I got your message on Upwork. Thanks a lot, and now I kind of understand better what you're talking about. So I took liberty at looking at your site again. Um, I could see your site and also what other people want. And I guess what you had mentioned is that you're moving to another server and keeping your domain. I just took the liberty of playing around with the platform I use. It's called Snaps, and I kind of created a site, well, a draft site of what I think you can do with this platform. I use another platform called Snaps, and let's just see what I did. Now, I built this based upon another template I was working on for an electronic store. So this isn't complete, but I'm just guessing. I was just trying to give you a sample of maybe what you might like or see what I can do. Now, this is just the same kind of e-commerce store for yours. I just got some random text to put here because, like I said, we need to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of good authoritative text on your front page so that Google can pick you up. That's part of the what's called a on-site SEO optimization. And if you go back to the first video which I had sent you, I did mention a few things about that. So this is it, a store site, links to party rentals, tent rentals. I put these here because I'm thinking that these are the most popular, and then emergency response rentals. I mean, all of this is editable, and you can change it if you decide to work with me. We can work on finding, finding whatever fits best, works best, whatever color scheme. I just wanted to show you what the site could look like, including if you had a blog also, which is a good way to get more content, more user engagement, and more content to your site. Don't mind this over here. Like I said, this was I was doing this for a electronic store earlier. This was just a template, but I think it can work well with your site. Now the store itself, here we go. All these pictures can be changed to be relevant to whatever items you want to showcase up front. You can have a deal going if you have one, etc. You can click on any of these categories. So the category might be tents, and then all your different kind of tents here. I just have 4 products, but you can have many more products here. On this, you can sort them. On this page, you can sort them. Once you click on a product, look at different pages, kind of like Amazon in a way. Add to your bag or add to the cart. If you click on the product itself, here we go. Yeah, you can zoom in, etc. So it would be good to have quality pictures here, high resolution quality pictures for all of your products that you have. I know that you store a lot of products. Then in the about page, etc., we can showcase a little bit more products. Whatever your story is, we can write it out properly. Any FAQs, frequently asked questions, etc. Like I said, the blog page, and each blog they're pretty easy to edit. I can show you if you want to write your own content, or I do also write content for blogs. And then a contact page, obviously. This is all editable. But basically, this is just playing around with your site. I like Snaps because you can also quickly look at what it looks like on a tablet. Obviously, this is just a sample. We can change the videos and all the pictures and etc. to what you would like to have. And also mobile, because a lot of people just use mobile. So as you can see, it's almost, well, this is just a preview. Obviously it's not done, but this is what I would be envisioning. I don't know if this is what you also want, but I just wanted to also kind of prove myself. I did quite a bit of work just to design this template and then edit it for your party rental site. All right, thanks a lot, and all the best. Once again, I am Charles with Wiley Digital. Thank you, Autumn. I just wanted to bring this back here so I can come to my about page and just remind you, oh no, my contact page, because I just wanted to remind you my email and phone number are here if you'd like to talk in more detail. Thank you.